welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download KuCoin application on your device. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open App Store on your device. Now, at the search bar, type in KuCoin and click on Search. Scroll down a little until you find this icon. Click on Get button here. You may need to verify using your Face ID, fingerprint or password. Your download may take some time depending on your internet speed. After the download is completed, click on Open button to use KuCoin application. You can also find KuCoin application on your home screen. Simply tap on it to use it. So that is how you can download KuCoin on your device. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.